Oh, what a story here. A Carson Middle School student spent his entire summer break building an RC track that happens to sit right across the street from his school. Jake Reno joins us now live from Carson City to give us a look at his creation and a special decision made on his behalf. Jake, what's going on?
Well, Kristen, this track is in a dirt lot right next to a bunch of teacher parking. And if you take a quick look behind me, you'll actually see the creator of the track, Seth, having a good time here playing on the track just after school. Got out a couple hours ago. It features a couple of jumps, garages for shade, and a ton of rocks. And after months of hard work, some people began to take notice.
I was pretty amazed at what he started out really small and started just building up, running his RC car around, and then it started getting bigger and bigger and bigger.
Seth Donnelly, who is the middle school student that built the track, says he has gotten pretty creative with it and has had many visions for it over the last few months.
And as soon as I thought something that's not too ridiculous, I'd be like, okay, let's see if I can do this. And like stuff like painting all of the roofs and putting the palindrome on it. And just kind of giving it like maybe kind of a skate park theme, but for RC cars.
Seth's parents say he came out here almost every day over the summer, regardless of the heat, so he could work on the track. He uses any materials that are available, such as rocks, wood, and even his parents' grass seed. In the past, Seth has tried building other tracks, but once he got a new RC car for his birthday, he got the motivation to build this one.
This whole dirt parking lot was right here, and I was like, it's kind of empty, and I do have a bit of space, but not really too much for an RC car. And once I got my Traxxas right here, I was like, oh, I got to build something new.
And once the school year came back around, the track was supposed to be taken out to make room for teacher parking, but one man saw all of Seth's hard work.
Some of the guys wanted to clean this all up, and I said, no. I said, we're going to just let him build his thing, and we'll kind of clean it up later if we need to be, because I just wanted to see how far he would go with it.
Seth says that he will continue to add on to the track and that anyone is welcome to come use it as long as they do not destroy it. Covering the story live from Carson City, Jake Reno, 2 News Nevada.